Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Weldments lesson. In a new part, click in the Sketch drop-down command and select 3D Sketch. Select the Line tool, start at the origin and draw a line up. Hit the Tab key, draw a line to the back and down. Add a new line in the X direction and then down. Repeat the same lines on the other side. Draw a line from the midpoint of one line to the other, and from the endpoint to the other endpoint. Draw two vertical lines going down from the midpoints as shown. Select the three endpoints and add a relation along X. Select the six vertical lines and add an equal relation. Select the middle line and make it along C. Add the dimensions indicated. Select the Line tool and add the segments indicated between the lines. Select all segments and make them equal. Dimension the location of one segment. Select the endpoints indicated and make them along X. Select the endpoints on the other side and make them along X. Select two endpoints and make them along Z to finish and exit the 3D sketch. If needed, right-click on a Command Manager tab and turn on the Weldments tab. From the Weldments tab, click on Structural Member, select the type and size, and select the six vertical lines of the 3D sketch. Click on Keep Visible icon and OK. Select the top lines. Click on Locate Profile. Select the endpoint indicated and click OK. Select the top middle line. Click on Locate Profile. Select the top point and click OK. Select the short elements on the left side. Change the angle to 45 degrees and click OK. Repeat with the short elements on the right side. Rotate them 45 degrees and finally with the middle elements individually. Close the structural command to continue. Select the trim command. Select the elements to trim. Select the face to trim them with. And click to change the elements incorrectly identified to be discarded. Click on the Keep Visible icon and click OK. Select the middle elements. Select the trim face. Click to change the elements incorrectly identified. And click OK. Select the elements on the right side, the face to trim, and repeat. Continue trimming the rest of the elements as indicated. Close the trim command when finished. Select all the structural members in the Feature Manager and delete them. Click on the Structural Member command and select the top 4 elements. Click on Locate Profile and select the endpoint indicated. Click on the New Group button. Add the middle sketch line. Locate the profile. And click the New Group button again. Select the 6 vertical lines and create a new group. Select the short elements on the left, rotate them 45 degrees and add a new group. Repeat for the short elements on the right side. And then individually for the middle elements. Finish the structural member command to continue. Click on the gusset command. Set the gusset parameters. Select the 2 faces. Click on the Keep Visible icon and OK. Add the rest of the gussets, selecting the rest of the face pairs as indicated. After selecting a pair of faces, use the right mouse button to continue. Close the gusset command when done. Click on the End Cap command. Select the end of a leg. Set the end cap parameters. Select the rest of the legs. And click OK to finish. Hide the 3D sketch and click on the Weld Beads command. Select the faces to weld. Set the weld bead parameters and click on New Weld Path. Repeat for the following pairs of faces. Activate the Smart Weld Selection tool and click and drag through the faces to weld as indicated. Repeat to add the rest of the weld beads using the Smart Weld tool. Click OK to finish the weld beads. Right-click on the Annotations folder and turn off the annotations. Right-click on the Weld folder and turn on the Show Cosmetic Welds option. Click on the Weld Bead command, set the parameters, and use the Smart Weld to add the gusset weld. Activate the Both Sides option and continue adding the weld beads to all the gussets as shown. Click OK to finish and hide the annotations to continue. Review the model, expand the weld folder and the cut list items, save and close the part.